Abanye bafuna kuba kubukezwe lenqubomgomo kanti abanye bafuna eqedwe. Kunabafundi abathi banqatshelwe ukungena yize belandele imigomo efanele kanti laba bafake izicelo zokuba bakhishwe ohlweni lokugoma abaphendulwa. Ukuze ungene lapho kufanele uveze isitifiketi esiqinisekisa ukuthi ugomile. Izinhlangano zabafundi zingenelele.
Singumbutho wabafundi sithi azihambisani nento kuba abantu bangavunyelwa ukuba bangene eZiyunivesithi kuba bekhethe ukusebenzisa ilungelo labo loba bangavaccinate.
Students makunganyanzeli baba batofe, umuntu ofuna utofa makatofe and then ongafuna angatofe.
Le policy ayenza sense because siyohlulwa ngegate ukuthi abavaccinate leyo bangena egate 5 abangavaccinatanga bangena ngapha egate 4. But umbuzo wethu i1 because kwi-social spaces kwindawo ezifana nevenkile estratweni emakhaya kwi-public transport lesiza ngayo apha sixubene sisonke.
We oppose mandatory vaccination. So in their policy as well of the university, they say that there are provisions that are set so that one can apply for exemption. But here currently at gate 5, the only provision that you can get is the needle.
Izikhulu zeNyuvesi ziyagcizelela ukuthi kunendlela elandelwayo ukuze abafundi bakwazi ukungena eNyuvesi.
Students who are not registered and have a permanent QR code and who need assistance with the registration can obtain a day permit at the university's gates to access campus to register. The university is continuing to encourage staff and students to vaccinate and is not in any way forcing anyone to vaccinate.
Inqubomgomo yeNyuvesi yokugoma iqale ngomsombuluko waleli sonto. Bonke abafundi kanye nezisebenzi kudingeka ukuba baveze isitifiketi esiqinisekisa ukuthi bagomile noma bafake izicelo zokuthi bakhishwe ohlelweni lokugoma.